Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Flex. First, carefully unbox your device and ensure all components are present, like the USB-C cable and recovery sheets. Next, download the official Ledger Live application onto your computer or smartphone. Power on your Ledger Flex by holding the side button for 1 second, then connect it using the provided cable. You will then set a secure PIN code, choosing between 4 and 8 digits, directly on your device's screen. The most crucial step is securing your 24-word secret recovery phrase. Write each word precisely on the provided recovery sheets. Remember, this phrase is your ultimate backup. Never store it digitally or share it with anyone. Your device will then prompt you to confirm these words, ensuring you've recorded them correctly. Finally, use Ledger Live to perform a genuine device check, which verifies your Ledger Flex is authentic and running the latest firmware. With your device secured, open Ledger Live and navigate to the My Ledger section. Here, you'll find the app catalog. Install the specific blockchain applications for the cryptocurrencies you plan to manage, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. After installing the apps, create new accounts for each asset within Ledger Live. Remember to open the corresponding application on your Ledger Flex device to synchronize it with Ledger Live, allowing you to view and manage your balances. To receive cryptocurrency, generate a receiving address in Ledger Live and always verify it on your Ledger Flex screen. When sending crypto, it is highly recommended to first send a small test amount to a new address to ensure everything works correctly. Always meticulously review all transaction details, including the recipient address and amount, directly on your Ledger Flex's secure screen before confirming. Your recovery phrase must remain offline and private to maintain the highest level of security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.